Hey, welcome. I'm here to get you started in animation in Set.a.light 3D. I've already prepared this scene from a large truck that was included in a recent update, and I just want to have a camera push-in animation. Now, with my camera selected, I'm gonna come down here and select Insert Keyframe. Because this is where I want to end my animation, I'm gonna take this all the way to the end of the timeline. Now, I'm gonna move my camera. I think I'm going to add a little bit of height, and I'm going to adjust the rotation a little bit. And I'm going to click on this diamond, which is to insert keyframes again. Now what this does is it actually covers every single parameter. So if you want a finer control, you can just click on, say, position, rotation, and in this case, rig head rotation and rig height. And there it is. Simple, quick. I'm going to head over to the render tab and I'm going to render this out. I'll come back when it's done and we'll see how it looks.